Morning everyone. Today we are giving training about guard patrol system. 200 fingerprint capacity and same like 200 cards means 200 checkpoints and then 60,000 records. In this hardware, okay, coming with box, one USB cable and charger connector and this guard patrol system with software and make the reports. First of all, how to use this one display and charging also it will pop up the display. If when communication is happening, we can view in display its communication is happening or not. This software guard patrol intelligent guard patrol management system 3.5 .NET 3.5 and backend database is .fdb. Okay, our own database. And this is the login name. We can change after login also. First time supervisor will be there. Password should be 3 times 9, then login. First application will open. Okay, once application will open, first we need to clear the reader data. Means inside what all data is there. Once you can clear means all data it will clear from the guard patrol. Next, we need to clear the fingerprint data. If any fingerprint is there or not, first time we need to do this is the mandatory things. We need to clear all the data and we need to clear the fingerprint data. Once application will open, first we need to register the device. One USB cable with the guard patrol system. That time it will pop up the reader was registered. Then close it, add company and we can create the companies. Enroll the guard. First, we need to enroll the guard. If you want, we can change the 9-digit number. We can create multiple guards also. And next point, we need to collect the finger. Here, fingerprint will be there. In software, we need to click the collect the fingerprint. Yeah, fingerprint collection is successful. Once it will successful, we need to down that same fingerprint. Whenever we collecting the fingerprint, it will be saved in database. That same fingerprint we need to sync with guard patrol system. That's why we need to download the fingerprint software to device. When it will communicate with software, communication message will pop up. Once fingerprint will sync, first we need to create the checkpoint. Checkpoints, okay. Batch issue was there. Batch means multiple cards at a time we can enroll. Batch card how to enroll means just see the video. First reading the checkpoint. Okay, here I written one checkpoint. Second, third is read and then yes. Now four checkpoints was read. Okay, already in device that data was there. Now I am going to same option guard patrol setup and checkpoints setup. In that, okay, batch issue card. Already I connected the device through LAN cable. That data automatically it will synchronize. Means the checkpoints data 1, 2, 3 according to that. Here we can change the checkpoints. First two, we can assign the name for any checkpoint. If we require any voice setup, okay, we can assign voice setup also. And before that, we need to create the voice setup. In this voice setup, if we type any word, example, please turn off light. If we generate means, okay, that voice message will pop up. Okay, we can sync that device. Okay, I create the voice prompt. At finally end, I will link that voice in that particular checkpoint. Now I'll go to route plan. Alarm setup. In that alarm setup, in that here alarm setup, we can schedule the patrol. Here add a plan setup. Okay, we can set the patrol. Example, if we required every 1 hour or every 2 hour start time and end time, we can assign here. We can not only single guard, we can assign for, we can create the different plan route. Okay, and we can assign for different, only one route plan means only one guard only it's possible. If any other guard will be there means, okay, security guard, we need to create the one more plan, route plan. Here we need to say we can select the guard also. which particular security guard we need to assign the route patrol. I assigned every 1 hour, one route plan. Example, if any off day means, if suppose week off or something means, in week off we can assign it here. Assign the reader for that particular route plan. Assign reader. Okay, we need to select the reader, then confirm. Means whatever we set the checkpoints and route plan, okay, that we are syncing with for that particular device. Now already we created the voice. That particular voice we are adding for the checkpoints. First checkpoint, voice setup. Okay, we are adding now. Confirm. Now we are syncing the data to all data to the particular guard patrol. Already we sync. Now we add the voice prompt. That's why that first checkpoint only we add the voice prompt. For example, that's why we are syncing that particular data. LAN cable, we can remove the cable from guard patrol, and we can start the patrol reading successfully. And this is checkpoint 2. Second one. This is third. And one more thing here, in this guard patrol, if night time means, we can switch on the battery also. Switch on the light. And this guard patrol system 3.7 volts lithium battery. Now, patrol was completed. I'm connecting the cable. Then we are collecting the data. Device to software. After collecting, go to basic operator. Okay, read data. See, we can now the data was downloaded. In this one, we can export Excel sheet and PDF. These two formats is available. And one more report was there. Okay, patrol report. In each patrol, how many patrol we done? Example, now we tried two times. That's why here it's showing 2 times. And this report also we can export in Excel and PDF. And this is the graph report. And this is all static report, static content report, statics report. This one also we can directly print, and otherwise we can generate Excel and PDF format. One example report. We are generating one example. See, this is the sample report. Okay, this is about the guard patrol and guard patrol software. Any queries, please? Any queries?